Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. Today I have something that's kind of the same, but kind of different. I have an unbagging from Whole Foods. Today was the day that they do once a year where they have beauty bags and they're $20 each. They say they're worth more than $100 of product and you can have one of each. And there was a all day beauty and a self-care Sunday bag. And my honey bunny, bless his heart, got up in line at 7 o'clock this morning at our Whole Foods because they said they were limited. And he said it was insane, that there was a huge line and that he couldn't imagine, judging from what he saw, that they were going to last an hour. He said people were trying to pull some slick stuff to get more than one of each bag, but Whole Foods was having none of it. So I have one of each bag thanks to him, and let's get into them and see what's in them. I have no idea. Since I wasn't there at the store, I didn't even get to see what they had set out. So there are two bags. There's this one, which is the blue one, and this is the self-care Sunday. These bags are huge. I mean, they're soft and nice. The bag's probably easily worth half of what the $20 was. And this is the black one. I mean, they might be too big unless you're like me and you carry a big purse. They might be too big. It might just be like a travel bag, but they're awesome. Okay. They say the bag is by Queen Alafia. I'm probably saying that wrong. And this was all day beauty. So this is beauty week, and I believe it lasts until next Wednesday, where like all of the beauty stuff at Whole Foods is 25% off. And these bags, if you're in one of 4 cities like San Francisco, LA, there's a couple others you can get online and check. They are tomorrow, Saturday, and I hope to post this Friday evening, having a trade-in where if you take in an empty product container for recycling, you can actually get one of these bags for free. But I am not in one of the 4 cities that is. So it's just a bag full of goodies. So let's get into them. I have the blue one, and then that is Self-Care Sunday, and that black one was All Day Beauty. So let's see what we've got. I'm getting into the Self-Care Sunday bag first, which looks like it's got a lot of masks in it. We've got an Allure, Welcome to Skin Wellness, radically rejuvenating under eye hydrogels, and it's a patch. It's a pretty pouch. It says it's intense soothing under eye elixirs hydrogels to help rejuvenate with cucumber and Parisian silk tree. Keep it in the fridge for a cooling butt boost and say hello to deep hydration. Well, we all know I love some hydration. And the beauty part, that's why Whole Foods does this. I should have led with this. The beauty part is they use products that are made of good things in theory. So this is the Yes to Carrots. It's not. It's Yes to Tomatoes. Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. Now, as I go through these, I'm kind of with an eye because, you know, I'm putting together my $250K giveaway, which is when I reach 250 people, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm at like 245, so we're almost there. But this is a Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask, which I won't use because things that are detoxifying tend to be a little too much for my tender skin. I have this Pacifica Stress Rehab Coconut, which I love, and Caffeine, which my people who love me prefer me to stay away from, facial mask. Party then, rehab now. So that's kind of fun. Next we have the Biocellulose Mask Nourishing Royal Jelly. That sounds very exciting. It's a single-use mask, and it delivers a lightweight, nourishing serum for soft, supple, silky skin. So that's cool. Oh, I've come across a pouch. I think it would tell me about what most is in here. So if we come across any questions, we can just refer to that. Next, I have an Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. I'm not sure if this is the exact same oil that I just opened. Let's see. In my, I think, Allure box that was completely devoid of branding, and we were all like, that is so weird. It is weird, people, but it's apparently what they do. So I have an extra one of these. Not gonna open it so I can put it in my giveaway. Next, we have Ultra Hydrating Face Cream from Trilogy with rosa pean, manuka honey, and lavender. That sounds luscious. And I'm going kind of fast because these two bags, I don't want it to get too long. I have an Allure Brightening Facial Scrub, Sea Kelp and French Green Clay. That's kind of interesting. And I have an Alba Hawaiian Facial Mask, Perfecting Papaya Enzyme. I'll probably put this in the giveaway too. The word enzyme also makes me nervous. But it's a cute little pouch. I'm sure one time good use. Next I have, oh cool, Burt's Bees Facial Cleansing Towelettes for sensitive skin. Oh, that's exciting. Most nights I use a good cleanser, but you know those nights happen where you're like, oh, I don't want to take my makeup off. We'll give these a shot. Next we have the Alafia Coconut Raisha. I'm saying a lot of words I don't know how to say here. Shampoo with henna, fully hydrated, strong hair. Ethical hair care with coconut oil. So that's kind of cool. It's a pretty big one. It's, of course, we've all, 2 fluid ounces. I was going to say, we've all established that I don't really know what an ounce is. 20 bucks, people. This was 20 bucks. This is an Evan Healy whipped shea butter for lips with raspberry seed. And it is USDA organic. And it's just a lip balm, but it's a full-size lip balm. Go back to the old YouTuber beauty thing. That make it so much easier. Do you guys wish I would do that with everything? Let me know below. Is it so much easier to see when my hand is behind it? Because it's right here. I mean, I keep it right here. Next we have the Derma E Vitamin C. This will be in the giveaway. Concentrated serum with hyaluronic acid. Oh, it does make it way easier for you guys to see, doesn't it? That's probably why they've done it for years. 2 more things in this one. I mean, this is awesome. I have a Weleda Sensitive Skin Facial Cream, almond oil rich cream formula, intensively moisturizes skin. And it's a box. And it is a 1 fluid ounce container. Let's see how big 1 fluid ounce. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's a metal one. I love the metal ones because you can squeeze them down. Before, after. Okay, and one last thing, and this is the Self-Care Sundae, which is, I guess, why there are so many masks and that kind of thing. It is a huge, oh, it's a Dr. Hauschka Crema, I was going to say, let me read it in English, but I think that is the English one. Crema Limpiadora Cleansing Cream. Refines, revitalizes, and deeply cleanses for all skin conditions. Wow, talking fast, tongue not keeping up. With calendula and phyllis and sweet almond meal to cleanse, balance, and revitalize for healthy, radiant skin. So that's a big thing. It is 1.7 fluid ounces, proving once again, I don't know what sizes are. Oh, and it's another nice metal tube, but see how big it is? I mean, it's bigger than my hand. I have to pull back to get it in the whole shot. So that'll be fun to try. So that is the Healthcare Sundae pouch. That is certainly worth 20 bucks. That is a ton of stuff to try. So let's get into the next bag, which is the All Day Beauty bag, and see what that has in store. Okay, that's the pretty black bag. See how, I mean, these are great. I will definitely find use for these. Okay, this one seems to have less stuff in it, but we'll see. It is the Burt's Bees Facial Cleansing Wipes again for sensitive skin. So that's awesome. I have a, oh, it's hot oil treatment. So I guess it's a hard oil now, and I'm going to put it in hot water, I'm betting. Blackberry and coconut oil repairing hot oil treatment for damaged or over-processed hair. Sweet nectar wraps around each strand to rebond split ends. Coconut sealant reinforces hair fiber, promoting thicker and fuller hair. 60 seconds away from chic. Pinch me. Okay. I can't. It's hard. Lots of directions. But it's really cool. I guess you squeeze it, you heat it, and you squeeze it out the top. I can't imagine that this isn't 2 uses for me if they allow it to be reheated to be used. And next we have the Thayer's Facial Toner in Witch Hazel and Cucumber. I really don't use this kind of thing, but I may give it a shot. It's a good size. It's 3 fluid ounces, so that's a good size thing. And in this we have some masks. We have a Yes to Coconut. Yay, I love coconut. Hydrate and Restore Ultra Hydrating Paper Mask. I have an Allure, I think I had one of these. Yep, the Under Eye Hydrogels. I have another one of those. I have the Soothing Avocado Cotton Cupra Mask. Helps nourish and soothe skin and relieve sensitive areas. That seems fantastic for me, you know, my sensitive areas. Okay, we have a Golden Elixir. Sacha Inchi Face. I'm pretty sure neither one of those words was right, but face, body, and hair moisturizer, and it seems to be an oil. A lightweight everyday oil moisturizer uniquely packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. And it's just an oil in a little thing. If you've tried any of these products and had good luck or have any words of wisdom you can give me about them, I would sure love to hear from you. Or if there's anything, I'm going to try most of this. I'm going to give a little bit away. But if there's anything that you particularly want me to talk about after I've tried it, just let me know below. This is the Oleda facial cream again. And the brightening facial scrub again. The duplicates I will for sure put in my giveaway. Another lip balm. Ooh, this is a Burt's Bees liquid lipstick in 803 Title. That's a great color. I mean, that's so me. Let's see. See if we found something to swatch. Yay! Happen to have a grocery bag right here. Of course, I sent my husband, so he got to get a grocery bag. I have a million use-agains, but he did such a good job, I couldn't say anything. This is so pretty. It's really, oh, it smells kind of strawberry-like, but I just smeared my finger in it, so forgive my swatching, but it's a really pretty, there we go. It's a really pretty color. I will definitely use that. A couple more things here. We've got a Canacell Happy Day Cream, hemp stem cells. So, too many jokes. Walk away, Catherine. Apply daily to cleansed face and neck. Oops, right, forgot. Oh yeah, that really does make a difference, doesn't it? We have a Alba Moisturizing Sunscreen Lip Balm. I will for sure use this in the summer when I go up to see the grandbabies swim. Because other than that, I pretty much don't go out in the sun. Very white. And last but not least, we have a Mineral Fusion, Minerals on a Mission, Volumizing Mascara in Jet. It was difficult to find the words. Here we go. Oh, there we go. So that's very cool. This is definitely a little sample size, 0.13 fluid ounces, but let's be frank. Do we know what a real mascara is? Okay, so that's what was in that bag. So both of those were definitely worth the $20. I don't know about $100, but they said it, so we'll take them at their word. This Burt's Bees smells so good. I will definitely be using that. And I have 2 awesome bags to use now. So that was my unbagging for today. So in theory, all of the products that we discussed are at Whole Foods and you can pick them up there and they're on sale and through Wednesday. Like I said, if you've tried any of these things, I would sure like to know if you had any luck or if there's something that once I try you want to know about, just ask below. And when I do, I will hook you up. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll know when I put up another unbagging or unboxing or makeup review. And thanks so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you all so very much. Bye. Have a great weekend.